Back to the channel. Today we got another little project that we're doing here in Menor on the lake. I think it's what it's called here. Can't really remember, but it's either Menor Lake, Painesville on the lake, whatever. But here we are, guys. We're doing a little. There was a little patio here. It really didn't have any base. It was just sitting on dirt. It was all uneven. We took that out right now. It's in the trailer. My big brother went to go pick up the dump truck so we can haul out the soil. We were planning on leaving it here, but I really don't want to make a mess here and have to plant grass and all that. So let's avoid all that and let's just bring the dump in, haul it out. It's not a lot of soil anyways, but pretty much step one, what we do here is find our elevation, and then we mark it, and then we start excavating 4 inches of base and then 4 inches of concrete. So if you come over here, it's going to pretty much be a 10 by 15 pad. We already took out like an inch or two, and then over here is going to be like an 8 by 3, or yeah, like 8 by 3 or 10 by 3, I mean. But this is pretty much it. We're gonna rip this out, get it to a proper grade, and then we're gonna haul in our gravel in, obviously. But we're gonna haul this out, and then we're gonna start forming, and then my brother will go pick up the gravel. But I just want to show you guys this first step of doing this. A lot of you guys already know how to do this, but you obviously gotta excavate until you get to hard ground, soil, clay, and that's pretty much what we're gonna do here. So for pretty much our elevation is gonna be like an inch higher than this asphalt. So we're gonna excavate approximately 8 inches down, haul that soil out, and then haul in some gravel while we frame it up and everything. But my brother should be here pretty soon with a dump, so we can start hauling all this out. We just prepped everything. We got the wood lumber down, we got all our tools down, and we're getting ready to do this. So it's just a little concrete pad, just a simple pad. We're gonna pour it tomorrow, I believe. So stay tuned, guys. I'll show you guys a little update on the second step of what we do from this. So we're gonna excavate it first, and then I'll show you guys the next step. Let's go. Check it out, guys. We got our base excavated. You guys can tell there's like 4 to 5 inches of base right there, all around. We went deeper on that side because it was roots, so we took them all out. And then over here, same thing, 4 to 5 inches of base right here. And then we went ahead and formed it up. We squared it here. And we formed it up. Now we're putting some gravel. We're gonna be short on gravel though, but we got most of it done today. We'll finish it up tomorrow, and then we're gonna pour on Saturday. I guess concrete is not available until Saturday, so that's in 2 days. Boom. So yeah, guys, after you guys excavate everything, we ran it over with the Bobcat, but usually we compact it with a compactor just to tighten it up, but we didn't really loosen up that dirt. That dirt's already tight in there, and then we were running it with the Bobcat. So now the next step is to install the gravel and then level it off, and then compact the gravel too. So we're gonna be short on gravel though, but we're gonna get a lot of it done today. Check it out, guys. We are ready for concrete. We framed it. We put wire mesh in it, and then the concrete has fibers in it too. We ended up putting that bottom piece of wood there to prevent critters or the concrete from going in there. But all our pitch is slightly coming this way, so we're good on this. And then this whole one over here has a little bit more dramatic pitch, but it's good though, because the asphalt is kind of messy. It's low right there, so we raise this up more. That way, whenever they do replace the asphalt, this will be a little bit higher right here, because it's low right there, the asphalt, and low and high right there, and then like low right here and low. But this is it, guys. We're getting ready to pour. The concrete is almost here, and then we're gonna be using the Bobcat to haul the concrete in. So our concrete is 4 inches thick, and our base is 4 to 5. I think it's 5 to 6 inches thick on this one. Just because of the roots, we took out a lot of roots from here. But here it is, guys. Getting ready to pour. It's a 10 by 15, and then over there's a 10 by 4, I guess you could say. But here it is, guys. I'll show you when we start pouring it. Concrete is here, so we're gonna start pouring. Let's go. Check it out, guys. I wasn't able to record like during the process because we were all rushing everywhere. I know it's not a big pad, but It was only 3-4 of us. One of my brother was on the Bobcat, and 3 of us were getting this thing laid down. And same thing with that other little side over there. But that's pretty much it right here, guys. It's just a little simple pad for the patio for the homeowners to come out here and hang out and whatnot. But there you go, see it. We finished the edge too, a little bit right there. You guys can tell. That's pretty much it, guys. Simple pad, simple concrete. You know, this is the basics. Now, if you want like a, you know, stamped and whatnot, that's a little bit more work too and more pricey. But this is standard broom finish, and it looks beautiful too. So it's coming along really well. Check it out. But we're getting ready to head out. We took the forms out on this one. It's already good. The acorns were falling from the tree, so we were having to fix it. We didn't really notice that until a bunch of them, it got a little windy and a bunch of them started falling, so we had to pretty much refinish it. And same thing on this side a little bit. But that's pretty much it. That wood is staying there. The homeowner's just gonna put some asphalt millings there from Home Depot, like those bags that they sell. Same thing along this edge. The homeowners can just put asphalt fillings there, and then we can go from there. They can go from there, but we're done pretty much. We're getting ready to head out, and we actually ended up taking out the shed too, which is funny. Made a little skit with that, but that's all that was left over, and we're getting ready to head out. So if you guys are interested in something like this, you guys can contact me at 440-725-4974, and then we can work something out for you guys with pricing and options for your patio and stuff. Well, that's pretty much it for this patio job, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.